because we will solve many exercises today from your book. Girls, you have after that a worksheet. The worksheet I will upload it on the platform, so you can download it in the revision section. You can download it and solve it and send it for me before the exam. So I wish for you good luck in the quiz, and I hope all of you will take full mark. So we will start now our revision. Let's start together. Okay, girls, now we will start with the first exercise. Okay. So, girls, you remember how to divide or to find the quotient, how to divide a whole number on one-digit number. So, if I want to divide, let's remember together how to divide 579 on 3. Let's start the division, this long division. I will solve the first one for you. Okay, so you remember I have to know the first digit in the quotient. Girls, this is the question. What is the first digit in the quotient? That means I want you to tell me what is the first digit. It will be a tens, it will be a ones, it will be a hundreds. This is the question. So you have to read the question first. You have to read the question. After that, you will answer. So here, if I want to divide 579 on 3, so I will start with 5. Can I divide 5 on 3? Yes or no? Yes. That means I can divide 5 on 3. That means the first digit in the quotient will be what? Will be 100. So the answer for this question will be what? The first digit. What is the first digit in the quotient for this division? It will be 100. Okay? The first digit will be 100. Okay? What about also 712 divided on 8? So this is the answer for this question, girls. Now I will divide after that. But the answer is what? Hundreds. The first digit is 100. Now 712 divided on 8. I want to know the first digit in the quotient. Look, I will start from the left. 7. Can I divide 7 on 8? Can I? No. 7 less than 8. I can't divide 7 on 8. So what I have to do? I will take the second digit, the digit that it's next to it, which is 1. Now, the number becomes what? 71. Can I divide 71 on 8? No, I can't divide 71 on 8. No or yes? I can, yes. 71 divided 8. I can divide 71 on 8? Yes, I know. I can divide 71 on 8. That means the first digit in the quotient will be what? Will be what? What is this digit? Will be what here? The first digit will be right here. Will be tens, right? That means the first digit in the quotient will be tens. This is the answer for this question. Now, what about 3,476? 3,476. If I want to divide this number, okay, if I want to divide this number, I have to draw the division line leader like this. Then I will write the dividend here 3,476, and this is 6, the divisor. Now I want to find the first digit in the quotient. 3. First thing, I will start with the 3. 3,000. Can I divide 3 on 6? Yes or no? No. Very good. Very good. Very good, girls. So I will take the number next to it, which is 4. Now 34. Can I divide 34 on 6? Yes. Very good. So the first digit in the quotient will be what, girls? If I start, or if I reach the hundreds, that means the first digit will be what, girls? Focus. Here I have a thousandth number. So the first digit will be what? Will be right here, the first digit, right? Then the first digit will be right here. So that's mean what? This digit is what? This digit is a hundredths. That's mean the first digit will be hundredths. Girls, focus, focus. What is this digit? 4. This digit what? This digit what? Hundredths. Okay. That's mean the first digit will be 100. Okay. You understand it, girls? How to know the first digit? This is the first lesson in this chapter. The first lesson in this chapter. How to know the first digit in the quotient. I will know it from the division. I will start the division from the left side, from the left digit to the right. Okay? Any question about this, girls? No question? Okay. Now divide. The same numbers, now I want to divide. Okay? After writing or after knowing what is the first digit in the quotient, I will divide 579 on 3. According to the place value, I know that the first digit will be 100. How I will know that? How I will know that? Look, as we said, I have 5 here. 5 able to divide on 3? Yes. So that's mean the first digit in the quotient must be what? Hundreds, right? Let's divide now. 5 divide 3. 5 divide 3. How many 3's in 5? Write your question. Uzlan, not Uzlan. Who's asked me? Lama, write your question please on the chat. 5 divided 3. How many 3's in 5? Only 1. Thank you, girls. I have only 1 3. So that's mean the first digit. As we said, the hundreds is the first digit in the quotient. 1. Now I will multiply. 1 multiply 3. 1 multiply 3 equals what? Equals 3. So I will write 3 here. Then I will subtract. This is the strategy. 5 minus 3 equals what? Equals 2. Now I will take the 7 and put it next to the number. So the number becomes 27. 27 divided 3. 27 divided 3. What is the number that I will multiply it with? The 3, it will give me 27. Of course, it's 9. Thank you, girls. So I will write 9 in the 10th digit. Now, then I will multiply 9 with 3. It will be 27. Then I will subtract. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now I will take the 9. 9 divided 3. What is the number that I will divide it with? I will multiply it with 3. It will give me 9. Girls, just type one time, please, to follow the chat. It's a 3, thank you. Now 3 multiply 3 equals 9. So I will put 9, then I will subtract. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Another example. 712 divided 8. If I want to divide 712 on 8, let's start. This is the first digit is a tens. As we said, why is the first digit is tens? Because if I took 7, can I divide it on 8? No. So I will take the 1. Now the number becomes 71. Can I divide 71 on 8? Yes. That's mean the first digit in the quotient will be what? Will be tens. Now 71 divided 8. What is the number that I will multiply it with 8? It will give me the closest number to 71. The closest answer to 71. Yes, of course, it's 8. Because 8 multiply 8 equals 64. So it will be 8 in the tens digit, as we said. Now 8 multiply 8 equals 64. So I will write it here. And then I will subtract. 1 minus 4. Can I take 4 from the 1? No. So I have to borrow from the 7. So it will be 6. This one will be 6. And this one will be 11. 11 minus 4 equals 7. Okay? Now 6 minus 6 equals 0. Now I will take the 2. The number becomes 72. 72 divided 8. Thank you, girls. That's correct. The number is 9. Because 9 multiply 8 equals 72. Now I will subtract. The remainder here will be 0. So the answer will be 89. 89. Let's divide this one. 3,476 divided on 6. First thing, the first digit is 100. I am repeating now. Bream, I am repeating. 3 divided 6. Can I divide the 3 on 6? No. So I will take the 4. The number becomes what? 34. 34, can I divide it on 6? Yes. That's why the first digit is 100. The first digit is 100. Because I will take the 4. Now, 34 divided 6. 34 divided 6. What is the number that I will multiply it with 6? It will give me the closest answer to 34. It will be 5 in the 100. Okay, very good. Now, 5 multiply 6 equals 30. Let's subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now I will take the 7. The number becomes 47. 47 divided 6. What is the number that I will multiply it with 6? It will give me the closest answer to 47. Very good, girls. It will be 7 because 7 multiplies 6 equals 42. Now 42 minus 7 multiplies 6 equals 42. Now let's subtract. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now I will take the 6, the last number, 56. What is the number that I will multiply it with 6? It will give me the closest answer to 56. It will be, yes girls, it will be 9. Because 9 multiplies 6 equals 54. 9 multiplies 6 equals, 50, yes, 54. Just type one time, please. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And 5 minus 5 equals 0. So I want you to notice something here. 2 is a remain. Very good. remainder. That's mean I have a remainder. I have to write it here because I can divide 2 on 6, so it will be a remainder, R2. This is the quotient, 579 with R2. Let's move to another example. Now, evaluate. I want to find the answer here, or the number n. You remember when we divide, I told you that you can find the dividend or the divisor or the remainder by using what? The opposite operation, or the inverse operation was for division, which is multiplication. Find the unknown number by finding the value of n in the related equation and write what n represents in the related division problem. So if I want to write, look, the division problem told me, you know that this example in your book, you took it before. If you have n like this, and n equals 3 multiply 45. I think this is in your homework. I think this example in the homework. So if I want to find the value of n, I think this is in the homework on page 97. So the value of n equals what? First thing, to find the value of n, I have to multiply 3 with 45. Let's multiply 3 with 45. 3 multiply 5 equals 15. 3 multiply 4 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. So the value of n, it will be 134. But here, if I have this form, n divided 45 equals 3. The quotient is 3. You remember that this value represents what here in this division? Represent a dividend, because when we multiply the quotient with the divisor, the number becomes what? Dividend. The number is the dividend. That's mean I have to know that n represent the dividend here. Okay? N is a dividend. 135. What about this form? This is also on page 97. Look at this form. You remember when we have this form like this. Okay, when we have this form like this, 643 divided on what? Divided on 4, and the answer, or the quotient, was 160 with Rn. That's mean n is what here? N is what? N is a remainder. You remember this form. I told you when you see this form before we solve something like this, n here is the remainder. Okay? How I will find it? First thing, I will multiply those numbers, 160 with 4. Let's multiply it. 4 multiply 0 equals 0. 4 multiply 6 equals 24. So I'll put 4 here and 2 above the tens. 4 multiply 1 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer for this multiplication is what? Is 640. So to know the number that I will add it to 640, it will be 643. What is the n? Excellent, Larissa. The n is what? What is the number that I will add it to 640? The number becomes 643. I have to add what? 3. That's means the value of n is 3, And n here represents what? Represents a remainder. Remainder. Okay? And represent a remainder. So I have to know that what n represents according to the equation. If I have this form, that means n represent dividend. If I have this form, n here represent remainder, as we said. Let's move now to another exercise. Okay? This is another exercise about n. Okay, no, I will solve this one. Just 1 minute. Okay. Find partial product. You remember partial product? Sorry, not partial product, partial division. I'm sorry about this mistake. Just 1 minute, girls. I will erase those. This is not product, I'm sorry. This is partial division. Okay? Okay, so girls here, of course we will use, of course, partial product, but it's partial division. First thing, I want to divide 540 on 28. You remember I told you to divide those numbers by using partial product. How I will do that? Let's remember together. First thing, you remember I told you have to take the divisor. Okay? I have to take the divisor and multiply it with a number. So the easiest number that I can choose it is what? Is 10. The easiest number is 10. So if you multiply it, first thing, I will choose the 10. So I will multiply the divisor. Please stop, girls, and focus with me. Don't write anything. Just focus with me. So first thing, I will multiply the divisor with any number. I will choose any number. I told you the easiest number to choose 10. Now, 10 multiply 58, it will be what? It will be what? Sorry, not 58, I'm sorry. This is 28. I'm sorry about that. 28, okay? So 28 multiply 10 equals what? 1 multiply 28 equals 28. And put 1 0 next to the answer. So that's mean it will be 280. Thank you, girls. Now I will subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 1 minus 8 equals what? I will borrow, because I can't take 8 from the 1. So I will borrow from the 5. It will be what? It will be 4. Sorry, it will be 4, and this one will be 11. Now 11 minus 8 equals what? Equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. This is the number left with me. Now I will take another number to multiply it with 28 and write it and subtract it from the number. I can't choose what? I can't choose 10. So I will choose another number, because if you choose 10, girls, the multiplication will be 220, and 220 greater than 234. So I will choose another number. Maybe I will choose 8, or let's choose 8. So I will choose another number, 8. You can choose any number you want, but the multiplication must be less than this number. Okay? So if we multiply 28 with 8, let's try to multiply it on a white paper like this. 28 multiply 8 to find the answer. 8 multiply 8 equals 64. So I will put 4 here and 6 above the tens. 8 multiplied 2 equals 16, plus 6, 16 plus 6 equals 22. So this is the answer, 22. So 224. Now I will subtract. Let's subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So look, the number is 10. Now, can I divide 10 on 28? No, right? Because 10 is less than 28, so I can't divide it. So I will stop here, girls. Then to find the quotient, I have to add what? To add the product, to add the numbers. Here, 10 and 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. That's mean this is the quotient, but there is 10 here remain with me. I can divide it with on that 28. That's mean this is what? This is a remainder, right? So the quotient will be what? 18 or 10. This is the quotient by using partial product. Okay? Let's move now to another example. Okay. Divide and check your answer. Let's divide those numbers on two-digit number. Okay. First thing. To start the long division, I have to start from the digit on the left side, which is 5. So the same strategy, I will use it when I want to divide a number on two-digit number. Now, first thing, 5 divided 52. Can I divide 5 on 52? No, because 5 less than 52. So I will take the next number, 52. The number becomes 52. Now, look, I will take those two numbers. So 52 divided 52. Can I divide 52 on 52? Yes, of course. That means the first digit in the quotient will be what here? The first digit in the quotient will be what? Who will tell me? The first digit in the quotient will be what? Very good, Larissa. Yes, thank you, Emma. Yes, thank you, Ghuzlan. Sorry, thank you, Lana. So the first digit will be hundreds. Okay? So 52 divided 52, of course it's 1, it's easy. Now 1 multiply 52, it will be 52. Now I will subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Okay? Now I want you to focus with me, girls, please. Focus with me. Now I will take the 5 and put it here. 5 divided 52. Can I divide 5 on 52? No. So what I have to do? The answer for this division, it's what? What's the answer for this division? 0. Very good, Larissa. The answer for this division equals 0. So I put 0 in the 10th digit. Okay? Okay? I will put 0 in the 10th digit. Because I will take the number next to it. Now, 0 multiply 52 equals 0, right? Now I will subtract. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Now I will take the 6 and put it next to the 5, so the number becomes what? 56. Now, can I divide 56 on 52? Yes. How many 52 in 56? I think also you have only one. Thank you, girls. Girls, just type one time to follow the chat. 1. So now 1 multiply 52 equals 52. I will write it here. Now we will subtract. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Now, can I divide 4 on 52? No. So it will be what? This number will be a remainder. So I will write it next to the quotient. It will be 4. So the quotient is 101 or 4. Okay, girls? Any question, girls? Any question? Any question, girls? Okay. How I will check my answer? You remember this step? How I will check my answer? You know, to check the division, you have to, if I have here, to check the division, I have to use the inverse operation for division. What is the inverse operation for division? What is the inverse operation for division? It's multiplication, right? The opposite operation for division, it's multiplication. So to check your answer, it's a step for you to check if your answer is correct or not. How I will check my answer? I have to multiply the divisor with the quotient and add the remainder. If you have the same number, that means your answer is correct. So I have to multiply 101 with 52. Try to multiply those numbers. Okay, sorry. Try to multiply those numbers by each other. And then the number or the answer, try to multiply those numbers. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 2 multiply 0 equals 0. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. Then I will put 0 here. Remember that. 5 multiply 1 equals 5. 5 multiply 0 equals 0. 5 multiply 1 equals 5. Now I will add the numbers. This is the check step. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2 and 5. 5,000. So before that, I have to add the remainder. You remember that. Because you have a remainder, you have to add the remainder to your answer. So 2 plus 4 equals 6 and 5 and 2 and 5. So the number becomes 5,256. Yes, it's correct. Thank you. So the same number. Okay, let's divide this exercise. 5,624 on 46. Focus with me, girls. How I will divide the number? I will start with the first digit on the right, on the left side. 5 divided 46. Can I divide 5 on 46? No. What I have to do, I have to take the next number, which is 6. So the number becomes 56. Can I divide 56 on 46? Yes. That means the first digit in the quotient will be what, girls? Who will tell me the first digit will be what? I want the first digit. The first digit. Very good, Larissa and Emma. Thank you, girls. So the first digit will be hundreds. Now, 56 divided 46. How many 46 in 56? I think I have only one, right? So it will be 1 in the hundredths digit. Now 1 multiply 46 equals 46. Now I will subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now I will take the number, the next number, which is 2. So the number becomes 102. 102 divided 46 equals, let's try, maybe it will be 2 or 3. It will be 2 or 3. Let's try 2. So I will put 2 in the 10th digit. 2 multiply 46. Okay, I'll write it again. 2 multiply 46. You can do it here, like this. Okay, just 1 minute, girls. Okay. 2 multiply 6 equals 12. I will put 2 here and 1 above that. 10th. 2 multiply 4 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. So it will be 92. Now I will subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 minus 9, I can't. I have to borrow from the 1. It will be 0 and this one will be 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Now, can I divide 10 on 46? No, I can't. That's mean what? I have to take the 4. That's mean I have to take the 4. Now, 104. I want to divide it on 46. Also, I will use the same number. It will be 2. So I will put 2 in the ones digit. Also, I will multiply 2 with 46. So it will give me the same answer, 92. So I will write 92. Then I will subtract. Okay, I will write it again for you. Please type one time, girls. Now, 4 minus 2 equals 2. 10 minus or 0 minus 9, I can't. I have to borrow here. So this number will be 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. So the answer is 12. Can I divide it 12 on 46? No, I can't, because 12 less than 46. So it will be what? It will be a remainder. So this one will be a remainder 12. That means the quotient will be what? 100. 22 or 12. Any question, girls? Okay, girls, the session is ended.